Kool-Aid back, no baby.
Kool-Aid back now.
I'm for sure.
Hey good people, it's Sheena and I'm back with another video. This one we are going to the home. So my husband and I decided in 2020 that we wanted to remodel our kitchen. Crazy, I know. It was our first time. The most we had done to a home was paint it. So to say that we were going to take down the cabinets, the countertops, everything was kind of crazy, but we did it. So this was before I filmed any YouTube videos, but I was still picking up the camera. So I have some still shots and I also have just some footage of my husband working. We did pretty much 90% of the work. Every now and then we may have a family member that maybe came in and helped paint or sand. So at the time I wasn't thinking to prop my phone up to record anything, but it is kind of satisfying watching our kitchen go from looking like a pack of Black and Mild to a nice, clean, up-to-date white kitchen, even though we are no longer living in that home. And at the end of the video, I am going to go over some of the mistakes that we made that, you know, just rookie mistakes, but we definitely learned a lot. So now that we are in our new home, we plan to take that experience and use it here as well. think this video is helpful when you see so many people doing these huge kitchen renovations. They have these huge budgets. So our budget was pretty much $4,000. So as far as mistake goes, we did not measure things that we should have measured like better. We pretty much eyeballed the refrigerator and the whole countertop. So where the refrigerator needs to be, which is underneath the cabinet, it ended up being on the longer wall. It's just not pleasing to the eye when you walk in the kitchen and the first thing you see is like the side of the refrigerator. So if you're in the den of this home, it would be nice to be able to look in the kitchen through a straight shot versus the backup or the side of the refrigerator blocking your view. The second biggest issue is the stove. We put the stove in the exact same spot it was the first time, which was incorrect anyway. You definitely need countertops on both sides of your stove. If we could go back, we would definitely put a corner cabinet there so that we can push the stove over and put just a little bit of a countertop on the side. It's just better for prep work and for cleaning. If we had put the refrigerator on the other side of the wall, we could have really stretched out floating shelves and for a longer countertop. I know it can be especially hard maybe when you live in a smaller home, which we live in a smaller home. Just because the home is smaller doesn't mean it has to look a certain way. You know, we definitely would love to update the faucets and that kind of stuff, but when you're on a budget, you really have to figure out what's needed right now. Those are our mistakes. I hope you guys were able to enjoy the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, take care.